Okay, guys. So good day, everyone. So on this occasion, I would like to try to answer that question you have. So if you have any question, please raise your hand.
I want to ask about what do you know about reproductive skills and with this example.
Uh, do you mean productive skills?
Yes.
Yes. And what?
And with the example.
Okay. So, based on my understanding, productive skills involve producing, conveying information. These are active skills because uh, the learner use language to communicate their thought or ideas. So basically, we known as productive skills is same like active skills in your own self. And in productive skills there are two types. The first is speaking, and the second is writing. So in the speaking, you can talk about something by your mouth, and in the writing, you can write with your hand, that use any word to complex be a sentence, and that's all.
I have a question. What do you think? Based on your understanding about the receptive skill and motor skill, what do you think is better for learner to learn first?
So for we that learning in SLA, we gotta have two skills that we know previously. The first is receptive skills, and the second is productive skills. Receptive, that like basically we know as passive skill, like our listening and reading. And the second is about productive skills that we make it by own self. That uh, the, the example, like when you say something, uh, eh, yeah, when you say something, and when you write something purposely from your word to be into the sentence. Next. Oh, okay. So in the material there are two skills that we know. The first is receptive skill. Receptive skills involve understanding and processing incoming information. These are passive skills. Basically, uh, previously I told to you, and that is could we say passive skill, because the learner receives and comprehends the language without necessarily producing it. And also for productive skills involve producing and conveying information. These are active skills because the learner use language to communicate their thought or ideas. And okay, guys, so I'm Rizky Faris Lavensi. So on this question, I would like to try to answer that question you have. So if you have any question, please raise your hand. And our topic is receptive and productive skills.
Let me ask first, how to connect research skill with productive skill?
So based on my understanding, that receptive and productive skills is that interconnect to in yourself. Like receptive skills is we know as passive skills that we get from outside. That, and also for the productive skills is the active skills that if you want to uh, know your productive skills, like you are to uh, make something like speaking and also writing. But in receptive skills, you are to get that from your listening and reading. Next.
Do we need to socialize with other speakers to train our receptive skills?
Sorry, can you repeat your
Do we
question?
need to socialize with other speakers to train our receptive skills?
Uh,
Do we need also socialize with others if we need to learn the receptive skills?
the reason why we need to learn the receptive skills. Basically, receptive skills we not get from the learning, but it we get from your understanding about something that you get from your own basically, and uh, what that is passive skills, and receptive skills involve understanding and processing incoming information. So the learner receives and comprehends language without necessarily to producing it.
So as we know that productive skills is we need to have interaction to people, right? Because we need to speaking.
Yeah.
So do you think the productive skills is related to the interaction hypothesis?
Interaction hypothesis.
They actually have a same meaning by my understanding. So do you think it's related?
Interaction and productive, like speaking.
Sorry. Uh, so maybe that was same meaning or the understanding for in the hypothesis. What you say, previously? Relate, yeah, relate because that's involve producing and conveying the information, and also that is same in active skills because the learner to is have to use the language to communicate their stuff or ideas. Okay guys, so I'm Rizky Faris Novensi, and so on this occasion I would like to try to answer that question you have. So if you have any question, please raise your hand, and our topic is receptive and productive skills. Okay, so based on my understanding, receptive skills is passive skills, and also for the productive skills is the active skills. So the definition, in my understanding about the receptive skills involve the understanding and processing incoming information. These are passive skills because the learner receives and comprehends language without necessary to producing it. And also productive skills involve to producing and conveying information. These are active skills that previously I said before, because the learner use the language to communicate their thoughts or ideas. So in receptive skills, there are two types. There are two type skills. The first is listening and reading, and for the productive skills, there are speaking and also writing. Next.
Can you give an example about
receptive and productive skills. Uh, in for the example in receptive skills, like previously I said, receptive skills have two type skills. There are listening and reading. So the example of listening, when you listen a song, and for reading, when you read a book. And productive skills, example like speaking and writing, for the type skills. And for the speaking, there are when you talk about something with your friends. And for the writing, when you write something about yeah, that's about the writing.
Do you think in learning second language, what is the best way to learn? Is it receptive or productive?
That is interconnect in your own self, because receptive skills is passive skills in your own self. Like I said previously, like when you listening and reading. And productive skills, like when you are speaking and writing, that is interconnect, because when you can listening, so you also good to okay, thank you. Okay guys, so I'm Raski for this Novency, and on this occasion I would like to try to answer that question you have. So if you have any question, please raise your hand. Our topic is receptive and productive skills. So there is no best way in learning by productive and receptive skills, because that is interconnect in your own self. But for the definition, that if you don't know about the receptive skills like is passive skills, like when you are listening and also reading. In productive skills, like when you produce something by your own self, like when you say something and also reading. I'm sorry, writing. Next.
My question is based on with your opinion, how the learners can acquire these skills when they are learning second language.
Oh, it can can you repeat your question again?
How does the learners can acquire these skills when they are learning a second language?
Basically, when you in the receptive skills, you can understanding about something and processing incoming information. And in the productive skills, you can producing and conveying information. So that's like it has same meaning but different different what to do. So that in productive skills, the learner use the language to communicate their thoughts or ideas, uh, while in the receptive skills, the learner receives and comprehends the language without necessarily to producing it. Next question. Uh, Basically, it's not can to improve your learning, but that is basic how yourself express to to explain what you want, like receptive skills, listening and reading, you get when you was born, and also speaking and productive skills like speaking and writing also, uh, you get from you also when you was born. Okay. So, good day everyone. I'm Rizky Faris Novensi. So on this occasion, I would like to try to answer that question you have. If you have any question, please raise your hand. Our topic is receptive and productive skills. Listening. Listening involves understanding spoken language. That it is a passive skill that help the learner grasp the pronunciation, intonation, and also contextual meaning. And effective listening is foundational to developing speaking skills as learners internalize the language patterns and vocabulary. Next. The different. So that is basically receptive and productive skills. Receptive skills is passive skills that like listening and reading, and also while in the productive skills is active skills that you have to produce your skills when you are speaking and also writing. And do you want to I want to explain about the no. Thank you. So based on my understanding, that is interconnect between receptive and also productive, because I said previously, receptive skills is passive skills, while the productive skills is the active skills. In receptive skills, you have to listening and also reading, and productive skills you have to speaking and writing. Do you want to get some information about it? I think when you write something, maybe I could to give you some information about the material. Okay, so receptive skills involve understanding and processing incoming information.
More important, receptive or productive?
Okay, I know what you mean. So, in normal person, uh, listening is connect with speaking, and also reading is connect with reading, but yeah. Okay guys, so I'm Rizky Paris Novensi. So on this occasion, I would like to try to answer that question you have. So if you have any question, please raise your hand. And our topic is receptive and productive skills.
What do you think about perspective skills?
Receptive, yeah, okay. So based on my understanding, receptive skills is also we know like passive skills, and receptive skills involve understanding and processing incoming information, and I said previously these are passive skills because the learner receives and comprehends language without necessarily to producing it. And also there are two types skills in receptive skills. There are listening and reading. Oh, okay. So productive skills involve producing and conveying information. These are active skills, different with receptive skills, because the learner use the language to communicate their thoughts and or ideas. So there are two types skills in productive skills. There are speaking and also writing.
What else do you know about this topic? What else do you know about this topic? Like anything else that we might?
Oh, okay. Yes, our topic is receptive and also productive skills. Some information in receptive skills. There are two types, and there are two types skills: listening and reading. Listening involves understanding spoken language, and also they could we say passive skills because that help the learners grasp the pronunciation, intonation, and also contextual meaning. And the effective listening is a foundational for developing for speaking skills, because that is interconnect to speaking. As learners internalize the language patterns and vocabulary, and in the productive skills, there are two types skills that I said previously: speaking and writing. Speaking requires producing spoken language for communication, and also it involves the application of vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation through listening and reading. And also the speaking fluency and accuracy in speaking are often used as benchmark for language proficiency. For the writing involves producing coherent and structured text, and that's it reflects the learner ability to organize the ideas, use appropriate grammar, and apply the vocabulary accurately. Writing skills often build on reading skills, as learners draw on contextual models for their writing output. Do you would like to some information about the integration in SLA? Do you would like to some information about the integration in SLA? Just explain it. Okay.